I couldn't be happier. It looks almost identical to what my smile used to look like before all of the issues, and that was exactly what I was going for in the first place. I had full extractions, upper denture, and bottom bridge. I have children, so any type of surgery is obviously a concern. I don't want to leave them motherless, so anytime you're going under anesthesia, there's a little bit of fear there, but the want and the need for something different outweighed those fears. Staff was awesome. I love everybody here. They've been super sweet and helpful in walking me through the entire process, making sure that I was happy the entire time, and anything that wasn't up to what I wanted was changed and modified so that I was happy. The surgery itself was a couple hours, about 5-6 months ago now. And then from there, it's just been appointments to ultimately get things looking the way that I wanted. Taken a little bit of time, but ultimately now, I'm happy with how everything has turned out. I can actually smile again, which was more than a 10-year pause on that for the most part. So that, the fact that you can actually smile in conversation or laugh and not have to worry about what you are or are not showing is a huge difference on a daily basis. Anybody that would need, extensive work or really just even minimal help that they're not happy with their smile, I would absolutely recommend coming here.